Long legal battle that began when Indiana House Democrats fled to Illinois in 2011 is finally over. The state Supreme Court ruled today that majority Republicans had the right to fine Democrats for their multiple walkouts. RTV6 reporter Norman Cox has more on that ruling.
House members on both sides of the issue were reluctant to comment on the court ruling. Republicans didn't want to appear to be gloating, and Democrats who've gotten over their anger want to get past the issue and move on. The Supreme Court ruled in a split vote, 3-2, that the fines are a legislative matter and that the court, under the separation of powers concept, has no right to intervene. Speaker Brian Bosma and majority Republicans fined Democrats after their multiple walkouts over 2 years to try and block passage of the right-to-work law. Democrats went to court to get back their money, which had been withheld from their per diem expense checks. A Democratic judge in a Marion County court sided with them, but the Supreme Court overturned that decision. Court watchers say justices rarely intervene in other branches' business.
And you recall a few months ago, the Democrats, or the counsel for the Democrats, had asked the court, to order mediation and, get involved. The court said no. And at the end of the original hearing earlier this year, Justice Dixon kind of went, sort of the extraordinary step of encouraging the parties to work out their own differences.
Although they don't like to say so publicly, many House Democrats blame their former leader, Pat Bauer, for the 2 years' worth of walkouts and say that was what caused their disastrous defeat last fall. And they're hoping that the new, more reasonable face of the party will be more attractive to voters. At the State House, I'm Norman Cox, RTV6.
2 justices dissented and said the House's right to punish members does not include withholding their pay.